Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, remember the dragonflies? I want to paint one with color shift paint, and this is the one. So I've already base coated it in black and it's dry. For this plastic that I used, I had to use a chalk paint first. I tried to paint it in just the black and it just puddled up. Even the 2X puddled up. So I used a chalk paint, dark gray chalk paint, and base coated it. You kind of see through the back, the gray. And then I spray painted black over the top. If you try and brush a black paint over chalk paint, it'll pull it up because the water in the paint will reactivate it. So this was the best way to do it because the color shifting paint has to go over a black base. So I have the Rust-Oleum Imagine color shift, and this one is in turquoise waters, which it's kind of perfect. It's kind of perfect for a dragonfly to be like shimmery turquoisey colors. I'm going to get you guys pointed down so you can see what I'm working on, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I just have a piece of parchment paper that I'm going to use as my palette today. Ooh, you can kind of see the shimmery pigments in there. Let's hope it translates into really, really cool dragonfly. Ooh, really cool dragonfly. Oh, I love it. Oh, that is so pretty. I mean, you can already tell the difference. Because dragonfly wings are sparkly and color shifting and translucent. Iridescent, that's the word I'm looking for. I love this. I don't think I'm going to be able to sell this. Really love it. The tail of this dragonfly mold is straight, but as it was still setting up yesterday, I twisted the tail a little bit so that mine has a curved, a little bit of a curve in its tail. I was having a little fun. So I was realizing that that plastic that smooth cast, even though it was quote unquote set up in 10 minutes, it wasn't completely firm. Like, there was still some movement to be had. And I'm like, well, let's make it a curved dragonfly tail. So mine looks slightly different from Naomi's, which, let's see. So you can see this is a straight tail on this one. And I just curved mine just a little bit. So you can have a little bit of fun with that smooth cast stuff. You don't have much time to play with it, but what I did was curved it and then put a piece so that it wouldn't straighten out again. So I just put something heavy there. All right. The top of the wing too here, Stacy. Out. Okay. Let's let that sit for a minute and see if we need to do a second coat, but it's looking pretty good the way it is. If I missed anything. Oh, he's so pretty. I'm glad I did this. Well, that took way less time than I thought it was going to. So for those of you who don't remember, it looked like this when we started, right? This is the pourable plastic that I got. It is so cool. It looks just like a dragonfly. That's what I was hoping for, actually, when I'm like, oh, color shift. Immediately oh, now it's purple when I leave it like that. Oh, it's purple and turquoise. And some angles it's purple, some angles it's blue. You don't get to see the purple. These super bright lights, you guys aren't seeing the purple. That's exactly what I saw in my mind when I look at it. Like, you're not seeing purple. You guys don't see purple. Oh. You're only seeing the blue with these super bright lights. The camera can't react. Oh, it's just so pretty. Like, that's purple to me. Like, when I look at it from an angle, it's purple. Now it's blue, purple, blue. It's just color shifting beautifully. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And it looks like a dragonfly. I mean, that's what you see. I would like a little green. You know, when you see the dragonfly wings and they've got a little iridescent green in it. But I don't have that. And I'm not going to go spend money to see if they've got an iridescent green. Yeah, as soon as she showed me the mold for the dragonfly, I was like, ooh, color shift. Like, that would be so cute. So now it's ready to be hung on someone's wall. I know I can't keep it, can I? I just think it's pretty. I have nowhere for it. I think it's super duper pretty, but I don't have anywhere for it. But from that to that. These molds and plastics and silicone and what do you call them? Not silicone, but what is that? Resin. It'll come to me. No, it won't. It was not coming. The resin molds and stuff like that, and the different things that you can make now. I mean, it's so awesome because I could make like 16 of these now if I really, really wanted to. Whereas if I'm going and I'm finding this and I find one at a thrift store and then I repaint it and it looks like this, but that's the only one I can do because I found one. I like being able to make my own stuff. I like being able to make my own product. If I wanted to, I could cast it in a plaster too. I mean, stop me. Who says I can't? Oh, thank you, Naomi, for investing in this mold, because this is very cool. I like this a lot. This one is going to go to her for her little rusty technique that she does. I poured, I think, 3 or 4 for her. 3, I think. Had a Margot hair in there. So this will go to her for her project. If I remember when she's finished with them, I'll take a picture and show you guys how hers came out. But this is how mine came out. I wanted to do one myself. And then the rest I poured for her. But hers will be gorgeous too. Mine's just different. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.